Hey, what's up, rail fans? Back out here in the city of Pelham on March 25th. Just wanted to get out and do something. You know how it goes. Plus, it's a nice day out. Looking here at the S&A northward, not much action going on, if you want to count that mockingbird that's off to my left making all that nice, melodious sounds. Well, other than that, no action. As for the Lineville, though, that's a different story. Clear signal here at Lee. I got word from Montana that it could be I-126 out of Savannah. His last known location was Addison, but sometimes if the rails are not that busy, they will line the tracks for these trains for miles. I'm only on the opposite side of the track so I can get a better shot of this clear signal. It's slightly tilted so the crew can see it and call it once they come around the curve. Well, considering this would be the shaded side of the train once it passes, it does open up the track a lot better for viewing, especially getting good video footage. However, I thought of a better spot. Right here at the curve. And instead of stacks, we get some Herzog ballast with 7211 at the point. This is Work Train W082. After the rolling rocks, I was hoping some rolling stacks would be in pursuit, but that was not the case, so I wait. But I did hear another train horn in the distance. I wasn't sure where it was coming from, and as you can tell, it is really windy out, so it can carry the sound for miles, and you can't even tell which track the train is on. The train was getting closer, but I still could not tell if it was on the S&A or the Lineville. Then I hear it. Clear Helena, clear Murray. Well, there you go. S&A it is. We have some mixed freight coming our way. Q521 heading south. Not as massive as usual, but judging from the speed and it's keeping the main line, I have a good feeling he's going to be stopping in Longview. A brief pause once again, and I was not aware of the northbound that was meeting Q521 was already coming around the turn. So this is as close and quick as I could get to the tracks. And speaking of tracks, we got some racks. Q224. And back to the Lineville. Man, I'm really putting in my steps today. But here we go again. Clear signal at Lee. And what I thought was going to be the first train of the day for me, here it comes finally, but not first. I-126 coming from Savannah.
126.3, clear Lee Street, 0630.
here I am putting things away, thinking I-126 was going to be my last train of the day. That was proven horribly wrong in a heartbeat, as here I am looking down at the SNA, and what comes around that curve? Some headlights. Moving back a bit towards the 411 milepost, I was thinking I was in a perfect position to get this train. But then this train calls medium approach medium. Red over yellow over flashing green. That means he's diverging off of the SNA and onto the Lineville, which means I gotta make a mad dash to the Lee Street because that's where he's going. Now at the Lee Street crossing, I later discovered this train is I-143, an intermodal heading south. Now, I know he has a medium clear to get onto the main line, but he's here at a standstill. Then I find out why. Coming north and into the Pelham siding, we got a northbound coming. He's going to do a runaround into the siding and back onto the main as the intermodal will get onto the main and head south. They're just timing us just right so they don't have to stop and hold up traffic. Knowing both trains do have a medium clear to keep on to where they're going. However, the part of the track they are taking requires them to go a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, basically restricted speeds. So hopefully they can actually time this just right so traffic won't be at a standstill too long, because I'm looking at Lee Street and wow, the line is getting really, really long. Now with the last cars of 143 coming by, I'm just wondering, how well can I time the other train to come by? Well, that explains a lot right there. Perfect timing. This is E855. E855 is an empty coal train heading north from Wilsonville, Alabama, and the Gaston Steam Plant. Now, I have not seen one of these trains loaded or empty for years. I mean, the last time I actually seen one was heading to the plant with an AC 6000 engine leading before it was sent to storage. DPU at the end of the train, and that's the end of my day. Well, yeah, it's dinner time, so I'm out of here. And here in Pelham at milepost ANJ 959.62 on the Lineville sub. Thanks for watching. Until the next milepost.